Hey everybody. So I've been thinking I wanted to kind of switch up maybe a few videos here and there about the style of what I do. As you guys know, I do a lot of like helpful walk-arounds and the how to starts and just some of the oil changes and other small videos like that, and kind of switch it up a little bit and try something different. Still keep it moped related always. Just kind of be a little bit more free with the idea of what some videos can be. If you guys like it, I'm happy. If you guys don't, that's fine too. Let me know in the comments section if this is a style of video that you guys enjoy, or if there's anything that I can improve on after this video. And love to hear back from you guys and see what you guys are all thinking about it. So I'm sorry if this intro is a little too long, but I just kind of want to explain myself and why today's video is a little bit different. Even though I know the majority of you probably skipped right past this, those who saw this, please, I am really interested in your input, as I want to grow this community into a larger community in the awareness of mopeds. I love them, I really do, and I'd love to surround myself with more time spending on mopeds. So I guess with that being said, thanks for listening, and look forward to seeing you guys' input. And cool, thanks. Hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, so I recently picked up Fa50. It's made by Suzuki. Pretty nice little scooter. It's not a moped. I mean, you could classify it as a moped, but it's a scooter. So yeah, this is literally the first time I'm gonna try to start it and run it. So I mean, let's see how it goes, really. All right, so here's the bike in question. It's actually in pretty nice shape. I haven't done anything to it. I recently acquired it. I mean, it's only got like 2,000 miles. It's got a little tear in the seat here. I don't really know how bad that is. I don't know why that's taped. It's missing the battery. Luckily, these are plastic gas tanks, so it doesn't really matter as far as like how bad the tank is on these. I mean, it's in pretty nice shape, really. I ain't mad at it. This is really cool to actually have the sticker for the airbox. I can't believe that they made it like a pink flower like that. That's kind of crazy. Bike came with the original mirrors too, which are pretty cool. So these will definitely clean up nice. I mean, that's just dirt in there. So looks like it's a 1984, which is cool. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this thing running. Wow. That started first kick. Like I said, that thing started first kick. Oh boy. Oh, maybe I'll take the choke off. Oh, well, she died. All right, well, it won't start up unless I get the choke on. So I assume I'm having some kind of issue with the gas. So first thing to note is that I bought this from a sketchy seller, and this petcock doesn't work. It wasn't working when I checked out the bike, but it's not leaking, so that's cool. I'm pretty much just gonna try to put more gas in it. All right, so I got more gas in it now. I'm gonna try to start it and see if it'll idle. All right, so I got it idling. Yeah. Anyways, I got it idling. I'm gonna take it for a spin, see how it does. All right, so I'm gonna do a first pull here and see how that goes. So for a test ride, it really did perform pretty well, besides that it dies when you stop it. It's probably something to do with the gas coming into the carb, or the gas coming out from the carb into the motor. So I'm sure that we'll find out what's wrong with it, and I'll probably do a tear down of the rest of the bike in another video if that's something you guys want to see. Please let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and I'm gonna keep on ripping this thing.